Blue Halo system provides the best system on the market. The air goes through the lighting system that's actually being cleaned, so we're not infusing chemicals out there for our residents, and it's proven technology. My name is Jason Lindeman. I am the CEO, president, and founder of Care Partners Assisted Living, Country Terrace, Wisconsin, and Care Properties. We provide assisted living services throughout the state of Wisconsin in 54 communities for the senior population. We decided to go with Blue Halo because it checks all the boxes. It's FDA, EPA approved. It is fully patented. And so for us, it made perfect sense. Our residents benefit from this product daily. It's installed in their rooms and in every common space of the building. And once the lights are on, it is working. So our residents don't have to do anything. Our staff don't have to do anything other than the lights are on and it's cleaning the air. Airborne bacteria is not passed from resident to resident to resident. What this has done for Care Partners is we've reduced sickness in our facilities. The length of time that we typically would see somebody getting sick for has been reduced if they get sick at all. And really, truly, one of our biggest issues has been COVID. And since we've had installed Blue Halo in our facility here, we have seen 0 cases of COVID. I would recommend Blue Halo to anybody in long-term care or in healthcare in general. It allows us to provide the cleanest environment and the safest environment for our senior population.